Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
How are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic sports for May month. It will be quite an important and interesting session, students. Stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. First is Jharkhand swimmer Ishank Singh has set a world record for the youngest and the fastest dash straight crossing. So he crossed the state. What is that strait? It is Park Strait, right? And this Park Strait is between India and Sri Lanka, and he became the youngest and the fastest one to cross this strait. This is a 29-kilometer long strait that was crossed by him. Next, which of the following statements are correct regarding the Badminton World Federation Thomas and Uber Cup finals? Among the following, if we see, option B is right and C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the People's Republic of China's men team has won the Thomas Cup, marking the 15th title. Is it so? So here remember, People's Republic of China's men's team won the Thomas Cup, and this is their overall not 15th but the 13th title that they have won. Next, in this, India secured bronze medal, losing semi-finals in the Thomas Cup. Then next is identify the correct statement regarding Shanghai Hyundai Archery World Cup Stage 2 held in May in Shanghai People's Republic of China. So identify the correct statement. In this, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Then next, who became the second youngest grandmaster in chess history in May at the age of 12 years, 6 months and 26 days after securing his final grandmaster norm at the Sardinia World Chess Festival in Italy. We are talking about Faustino Oro, right? He became the second youngest grandmaster in the chess history at the age of 12 years, 6 months and 26 days. Then next, mark the correct statement regarding the Asian Weightlifting Championship held in May 2026. Among the following, if we see, option B is right and option C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the China topped the medal tally with 40 medals, including 20 gold, 12 silver and 8 bronze medals. Is it so? So yes, China has topped the medal tally, but a total of 41 medals, in which 21 are gold, 12 silver and 8 bronze medals. Whereas if we talk about our India, we stood at 11th position in the medal tally with a total of 10 medals, out of which 1 silver and 9 bronze. Next, who among the following Indian cricketer announced the retirement from domestic cricket and IPL in May to explore the overseas leagues? So Vijay Shekhar has announced the retirement lately. Next, name the Grand Prix won by Kimi Antioli. Kimi Antioli, remember, he became the youngest person to win this Monaco Grand Prix. He is 19 years of age and he drives for which company? He drives for Mercedes, right? Also remember, this is the one that I gave you the end. But here remember, Kimi Antioli also won the Canadian Grand Prix. Apart from Monaco is the one, he became the youngest driver ever to win the Monaco Grand Prix, and he also won the Canadian Grand Prix, his 4th consecutive F1 victory. So remember, he won Canadian Grand Prix also as well as the Monaco Grand Prix. Next, who was appointed as the India's chef de mission for 2026 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland? Right option, Rohit Rajpal. Next, who became the Karnataka's second women international master in chess after achieving the title at the Tuj International Masters Tournament in Slovenia? So who became the Karnataka's second women international master? Right option, Swara Lakshmi Nair. Next, students, these were your important current affairs related to sports. Now let's move to some revision part. identify the team that has clinched the first ever Ranji Trophy. That is, this is the first time they have won this Ranji Trophy in 25-26 season. So it is Jammu and Kashmir team. They have won this, and the final was held at the Hubballi in Hubballi, Karnataka. Right? Take a note of this, students. Direct question can be asked regarding this. So this is the first time they have won it, and this was the 91st edition for Ranji Trophy. Next, identify the sports for which Union Minister Mansukh Mandviya unveiled the logo of the world's first franchisee-based league in India. It is for cycling. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 finale or final held in Gujarat. If we see here, option B and C are right, A is wrong, right? We have to write A. A is saying that India won the second ICC T20 World Cup title by becoming the first team to successfully defend the champion, right? So remember, ICC men's or Indian men's cricket team, they have won the 10th edition of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup, right? And India won this not second time but third time. Next, on March 8th, who won the Australian Grand Prix for Mercedes? So it was won by George Russell. George Russell on first, Kimi Antioli on second, Charles Leclerc third, Lewis Hamilton fourth, and Lando Norris on fifth position. Next, name the city in India that will host the second leg of the Asia Cup Archery 2027, making the country's first international archery event in 2020 in 22 years. So right option is in New Delhi. So location is New Delhi. Next, name the world's highest volcanic peak climbed by the IISc professor Arpita Patra in March 26. So it is Nevado Ojos del Salado. With this achievement, she became the second Indian woman to scale the peak after Arunima Sinha. Next, which country topped the medal table at the World Para Athletics Grand Prix in New Delhi leg held in March? So which country secured the top position in medal tally? It is our India. We secure a total of 108 medals, out of which 75 are gold, 69 silver and 64 bronze. Then Russia was on second position and Bosnia and Herzegovina on third. Next, Mayank Chakrabarti became India's which number of Grandmaster? So he became the 94th Grandmaster. He is 17 years of age and he is from Guwahati, Assam. Next, identify the former Pakistan cricketer who announced his retirement from international cricket in March after a career spanning 2007 to 2023. Right option is Sarfaraz Ahmed. Next, who won his first ever 2026 Chinese Grand Prix, also known as F1 Heineken Chinese Grand Prix, held at the Shanghai International Circuit in Shanghai, China, while driving for Mercedes-AMG Petronas. So who won his first ever 2026 Chinese Grand Prix? It was won by Kimi Antioli. He drives for Mercedes. Right? Next is choose the state where World Indoor Athletics Championship 2028 will be hosted in India as awarded by the World Athletics Council in March 2026. So it will be in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next, name the Spanish Olympic and World Badminton champion who announced her retirement from professional badminton in March 2026. Right option is Carolina Maria Martin. She is a Spanish badminton player and because of leg injury, she has announced retirement. Next, identify the category that the International Olympic Committee aims to protect under the new policy announced in March, which will come into effect from the Los Angeles 2028 Olympic Games. It is the female women's category. That means transgenders will not be allowed to take part in the women's category now. Right? So this will ensure equal participation. So that's all for